Hey guys, so great to see you back. This is a really important but so short topic. I will show you today the best head protection for your surfing so you feel comfortable and safe in the water. Hit the intro. I saw it in my coaching career that a lot of you guys are scared in the water. If you're not already did, how to overcome fear, the link is probably up here. So just check it out after you watch this video. Watch it till the end so you don't miss any important informations. First of all, there are different variations how to protect your head in surfing. I will show you today the best head protection. Why is it important? If you have a collision with another surfer or even your own surfboard, it's really important to protect your head. Your body is usually protected by your wetsuit, depending where you surf, but it's really important to protect your head. So please follow my lead. It doesn't matter which hand, but protect your neck first. So the first step by the proper head protection is protect your neck. So one hand goes always to the neck. Doesn't matter if it's right or left, always go to the neck first. The second step is the other hand is going to the back head. You see my head, my face is not protected yet. So now when you have one and two, or it doesn't matter, one and two, one neck and back head, just close the elbows, boom. And you see everything is protected. The sides, the front, the back, everything is protected. Try it a few times at home. So you have a favorite side, favorite arm position. Train it, train it, train it, and you feel safe in the water. But now it comes. How long do you hold this position in the water? Imagine you fall off a wave. Oh, you don't know where your board is. Well, maybe there, maybe there. You're underwater. You always want to feel safe because you watch this video. So you hold this position. Oh, I'm so safe here. When you come up, you hold it, hold it, hold it. You watch where your surfboard is. Okay, there's my surfboard. There's the other surfer who dropped in on me. Oh, and now I can release the arms. Don't do the same mistakes which a lot of people did. Underwater, you hold the position, then you come up, and you're like, oh, I'm safe, boom. But this is actually the moment where a surfboard or another surfer could still hit you. So always hold this position as long as you have to check where the objects, surfers, or other dangers are. I hope that was helpful. Please try it at home. I saw some really weird stuff in my coaching career, but please, I still do it myself. Do the head protection all the time because you feel comfortable and safe in the water. I hope this was helpful. Leave a comment below and I hope to see you next time. Daniel from the Surf Companions.